Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this from Kate. Thank you guys again for sending this. This thing is absolutely incredible. Got a carbide blade on here that's going to make short work 3/8" cutting deep cut for cardboard. If you're going to be using this thing to cut hard surfaces, maybe you're going to be doing a lot of recycling and whatnot. I mean, this thing rips right through. I mean, cuts a nice clean line. So if you're needing to not hurt your hands and are wanting to rip down some stuff so that you can either use it for a class project or you're wanting to use this to recycle, this is absolutely fantastic. It does have a really cool feature that it's got a light on the front, and it is a rechargeable, so it is completely cord free. They provide you with a nice little clip on the back here to clip this on a pair of pants or something so that you've got this always at the ready. That way, whenever you're ready to get in here and make short work of some cardboard, you can easily do that. Now, they do provide you with an extra blade that you have for that as well as the tightening key, charging cable, instruction guide, and everything in a really nice little carrying case. That way you can take all this with you because it's a nice carrying case. You can throw that in the trunk of your car. That way if you're ever needing to break something down, you easily can do that. It's a nice ergonomic handle on this guy as well. And I'm really liking the fact that it has the ability to hold on as such and cut these deep, thick cardboard pieces almost effortless. I mean, I have personally used this particular one for our kids' classroom projects. They had to make a lot of things out of cardboard. And I mean, this was an absolute lifesaver versus using little hand scissors to cut all this cardboard. This thing just ripped right through it. Zero problems. Fantastic product. Thank you guys again for sending it.